Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will see some secret woodworking tips and tricks that most people don't know. These hacks will save you time, frustration, and maybe even a few bucks, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Tip number 1. Purple Heart Restoration. Purple Heart is a stunning wood, perfect for cutting boards, mallets, and countless other projects. There's a simple fix for this wood. After sanding, grab some acetone and a rag. Wipe down the wood, then leave it in the sun for 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat this process until you achieve that deep, vibrant purple you crave. Tip number 2. Sandpaper bin. Sandpaper can become a real pain to manage if it's just tossed around in a drawer. Here's a solution you might not have thought of: an art bin. These affordable organizers are perfect for sorting your sandpaper by grit, 120, 220, etc. This makes grabbing the right paper a breeze and keeps your workspace tidy. Tip number 3. Cutting plywood. Cutting plywood can be expensive, so wasting even a little bit hurts. Here's a free online tool to the rescue: cutlistoptimizer.com. Simply enter the plywood sheet size, the number of sheets, and the dimensions of your cuts. The tool will show you the most efficient layout, saving you money and minimizing waste. Tip number 4. Cutting board helper. If you are making cutting boards, then check out the Cutting Board Calculator website, link in description. This free tool lets you input the board size, thickness, blade curve, and wood types, cherry, walnut, etc. It then calculates the board feet used and even helps you visualize different layouts with various wood combinations. Perfect for planning beautiful and profitable cutting boards. Bonus tip: there are even more free resources to make your woodworking life easier. Here are those: blocklayhere.com, design decks, gazebos, and other large projects. It even calculates materials and ensures structural soundness. General construction calculators. Calculate feet, inches, cubic feet, and more. The complete step-by-step manual of woodworking. A great book for beginners, covering tools, joinery methods, finishing, wood types, and even project plans. Those are just a few secret woodworking tips to elevate your projects. If you want more videos like that, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch all our future videos.